Hi everyone, this is Samarth and the video done today is on a point which is connected with Lord Shiva, as tomorrow is Mahashivratri. So let us understand what is Anhad Naad and have a brief on how should we change and have a rooted approach to things which may help us have a better life, because Shiva is all about evolution and having betterment in life. Everything is made out of Shiva. Okay. Anhad Naad, if you Google it, basically means something which comes out of nothingness, something which comes out of complete emptiness. Now, complete and emptiness is diametrically contradictory. It's completely opposite in nature. But that's according to the dictionary meaning. Meditatively speaking, Anhadnaad means the sound of no sound. Naad means the sound. And Anhad means something which is having no boundaries. Meditatively speaking, Anhadnaad is a state, is a sound which is soundless, on which all the other sounds are being frequencied. All the sounds are configured in existence, in nature. It's by default. That's how existence is working. Om, the word, if you map it to a frequency, is the closest sound to Anhadnaad. Anhadnaad is the base of existence and the base of all the sounds a human ear can listen to, and also to the animals. Now, what happens is that a lot of people who think they are educated, modernized, liberalized, globalized, and the obvious righteousness they think they have, even if they are right, they are still not happy. What happens is that as far as your thinking or emotional processes are concerned, whatever you understand happens on a very, very peripheral front. It's only on the top. You don't go to the roots. Because you don't go to the roots, you never come across the real face of that emotions, real face of that thinking process. Now, a lot of people think that to have Anhad Naad, you should be in a place which is soundless. But Anhad Naad in itself has nothing to do with the existence of sound, because it is diametrically different. Anhad Naad means the sound of no sound. So let us say you have all the sound in existence in one box, and the other box is Anhad Naad. Sound cannot exist without Anhad Naad. So this box is dependent on this box, but this box is self-sufficient. Anhad Naad is self-sufficient. It has nothing to do with this box. This box is there, or this box, you remove it. This will always remain. So it's like you're trying to find this, but you're too busy managing this, and you cannot manage this, because this is always there. You cannot remove sound from existence, because you are not able to sound Anhad Naad. You are not able to hear Anhad Naad. You will not be able to remove Anhad Naad. If you remove this, only then this moves. Both are impossible. You need to connect with Anhad Naad between the sounds. You need to connect, listen to the sound of no sound, being in between of sound. Only then it is possible. Even if you go to hilltops, Himalayas, still there will remain certain sounds. You will never be able to move out of sounds. And the very basic reason you want to move out of the external sound is because it is distracting you. You are continuously dealing with your distraction. You are working on the thing which is distracting you. Rather, you should identify that it's you who is getting distracted. It's not the sound. Your state is being influenced. Your state is being distracted. Hence, you should change. You should come to a state where you can connect with the Anhad Naad being in between of the sounds. This is the change we need to have. This is the change of mindset we need to change. This is the approach we need to have. Have a beautiful day ahead. Take care. Keep smiling.